Hello everybody and welcome. So I have somehow lost the footage for this bag. I've lost the footage of the process of when I started it, and yeah, it's all lost. So I'll just tell you how I got up to this point. So this is this bag here. It's got a base. I used a wooden base here. I didn't crochet the bottom of it, just used this wooden base, and then I crocheted into the edges of the base, and then I started my pattern. And then this one, I just did the one front post double crochet and one normal double crochet, and then I continued like that. So when I put this, I just put a lining in it. There's a nice satin lining in there, and it's just gonna be a round bucket sort of. Yeah, so this is where we're at, and now we are going to just continue. So if you know how to do a front post double crochet, it's in one of my other videos where I was working on the pink bag, so you can check that one out and see how, but I'll show you here as well. So just yarn over here and just into the bag there, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through second time, yarn over, and then we just go into here to just do our normal double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over into the back. That's our front post double crochet, yarn over, and that's now working our normal double crochet, yarn over in the back, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice, yarn over. So as you can see, I'm just using a different colored yarn. So I just started with the darker green, the lighter green up to the lightest now. It's like an army green sort of colors, but and it's slightly different from the one I did before in that, while with this one I worked one front post double crochet and one normal double crochet, whereas the other previous bag I did one front post double crochet and two normal in here, one front post, two normal. So with this one it's just one front post, one normal, one, going round. So it looks slightly different. I'll grab the other one and show you so that you can see the difference, but let's just finish off here first. So front post, front, to the back and do a front post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now we've reached the end, so we're just going to work a slip stitch into here just to join the round. So slip stitch and then chain one. So this is as big as I want the bag to be, so that's about the right height for it, so which is about 7 inches. So that's 7 inches house. That's pretty good. It's a height 7 inches. It's a small bag for me, so I'm just going to do the top of the bag now. So we're just going to do a single crochet right round. So I'm just gonna do this single crochet. I want it to have like a single crochet. As you can see, it's doing crosses, so I'm doing the cross stitch single crochet, which is when you do a yarn under. So there we are. So yarn under, yarn over, and then pull through. Yep, put the hook through there, yarn under, and then yarn over, and then you pull through. Yarn under, yarn over, pull through. One more time, yarn under, yarn over, pull through. So you see, it looks like it's a cross stitch axis. You see the axis, cross stitch single crochet. So I am going to go right round with that. So this is the first row, and then when I'm come back, I'm gonna do the second row, but I will put it through the V's. With the second row, I'll be going in through these V's here, and that will just make a nice pattern for it. And then we'll continue and show you the finished. What did I do here? Yeah, so yarn under, yarn under. Come back and do that. So this is the bag. I did the 2 rows of single crochet here. I first did the cross stitch single crochet, but I undid it because it looked too busy with the design of the bag. It looked too busy, it didn't look right, so I undid that and just did a plain single crochet. So I did 1 row, 2 rows at the bottom, and then I weaved through the ties and just put a bead at the end, and I've put this hard wire. I put the chain strap for it. So remember, this is the round one at the bottom. So this is how it looks. So, and this is the one I did 1 stitch each, like 1 front post, 1 normal double crochet each. So in comparison with what I told you, would compare it with the other bag that I did, which is this one here. So as you can see, with this one I did 2 of each. So there is 2 front post double crochet, there's 1 front post double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 front post, 2 double crochet. So see, that's the difference. Which do you like better? Which do you like better, the 2 or just the 1 each? I don't know. I think they both look pretty good, so I don't know, can't choose. Let me know in the comment section which one you like better. But yeah, this is it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Thank you.